Okay, you're going straight to jail.
No, stop! Stop it! Stop! No!
She's torn a hole and climbed outside. Is she for real? Come here. Come down here. Keep doing that.
What the hell?
What are you doing?
Look, don't make me. Look, no fucking privacy, bro. Yo, bro, what?
No way. Kevin.
You guys, I'm just using my bathroom, peeing, and what the fuck?
Come on. Come on.
Yay!
I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like.